Today is presenting an interesting problem. It is Friday and I am supposed to go see my primary care physician and take a look at my MRI results, but I mean, the feels like temperature right now is somewhere in the area of 13 degrees and these sidewalks are completely frozen with ice. And this is just right outside my window, and where I'm going, I have to walk to the bus stop and then I have to catch another bus and walk. So long story short, did not go to my doctor's appointment today. Not happy about it. I woke up this morning and I was just in a little bit more pain than I feel comfortable dealing with, and we had a huge blizzard yesterday and the sidewalks are still covered in ice and snow. And it's just dangerous outside. Couldn't afford a cab, couldn't find someone around, of course, last minute. Called the doctor's office and they said that made sense and I rescheduled. So I am going into my injection without another opinion or another set of eyes on my MRI results, which is a little bit... wow. But it should be fine, I guess, eventually, right? I mean... I'm really frustrated, but it's gonna be okay.